Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add apps to your laptop or PC home screen, also known as the desktop, using a super simple drag and drop method in Windows 11. Let's get started. Click on the Start button or tap the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want to add to your desktop, for example, Chrome, Spotify, or Word. Once the app appears in the search results, left-click and hold on the app name or icon. Drag it onto your desktop home screen, release the mouse button. You've now created a shortcut to that app on your home screen. If dragging doesn't work on your version, right-click on the app in search results. Select Open File Location. Right-click the app in that folder and choose Send to then Desktop, Create Shortcut. This does the same thing, it puts a shortcut right on your desktop. And that's it. Now you know how to easily add any app to your laptop or PC home screen in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and enjoy your personalized desktop.